How to change your country in Google Play Store. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your country in your Google Play Store. So let us get started. I'm doing this on my desktop. You can do this in your mobile phone as well. So let us get started. First of all, simply head over to your Google Play Store. You can directly go to play.google.com. After you're there, you should see an option on the top right. It's your profile icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you should see the payment and subscription option. Head over there. And if you already have added a payment method, you should see a settings option right here. You can simply head over there and change your country from there. If not, you can add a credit or debit card. That is, you can add a payment method. And while you add a payment method, you will need to head over to the billing address. And on your billing address, you will need to change your country. So it's that simple. All you need to do is change your details on your payment method. So if you can change your billing address to wherever you want. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. Now simply add your card details and then simply tap on save. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can change your country on Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.